Hi guys, welcome to this week's episode of Miss Planet. We are so glad you can join us. This week we have a request from a community member to recreate this beautiful flower arrangement using artificial flowers. We always are so challenged to create flower arrangements that could fool the eye or make people think, is that real flowers or not? So I love it when I get these challenges because I love to show our community just how you can create beautiful flower arrangements for a fraction of the cost using artificial flowers. So what are we waiting for? Let's create this week's episode, Tall Hydrangea Dream Flower Centerpiece. All right, guys, let's get to it. Our first step is to attach our half ball. We're going to do this by making an indentation with the rim of our trumpet vase, and then with our foam cutter, we're going to go ahead and kind of dig out a little trench, not too deep, just a little trench. Add some hot glue into that trench and attach it to the rim of our trumpet vase. Give it about 5 or 10 minutes to go ahead and set up, and then you're ready to start attaching your gem garland. For this step, I want you guys to let your creative juices flow. So I am picking anywhere between 8 to 10 gem garlands, and they're varying in length. Some lengths are like less than 3 inches, while other lengths are around 12 inches, and I'm actually using my floral pins to attach them to my foam ball. It's super simple. Now you can use the full length of the floral pins, or you could take your wire cutters, make sure you wear safety glasses, and cut the floral pins in half, just so you don't have so many of them sticking up through the foam. It's really up to you, but you're going to attach them in a way that you like. Some of this I'm draping, others I'm just letting hang straight. It's really up to you. So let's allow our creative juices to flow, because there's no right or wrong way to be creative. Well, guys, how did we do? I think it's absolutely beautiful. I just wanted to be able to show you how you can recreate a look of real flowers with artificial flowers and still get that wonderful, beautiful impact. Well, if you liked this video, please by all means like us and be sure to subscribe so you're the first to know when our videos are posted. If we can help you with the project, by all means, we would love to. Head on over to our website, MissPlanet.com. Just click on that little button in the corner. It'll take you there. Sign up for the project request tab. Follow the very simple steps. I always ask that you do it sooner than later because our production schedule fills up so fast. But we would love to help you. If you want to hang out with us some more, please hang out with us on our social media, and that will be Facebook, X or Twitter, Instagram, and please don't forget to check out our Pinterest page. We have fantastic ideas there for you, and we would love for you to hang out with us a little bit more. Also, if you haven't already signed up for your Rakuten account, don't know what you're waiting for, they pay you to shop. It's super simple. Head on down to our description, click on the link, sign up for your account. When you're ready to shop, sign on to your account, make your qualified purchases, and receive a check at the end of the mail for your time. It's really that simple. Guys, our time has come to an end. It always goes so fast. We want to thank you for hanging out with us here at Miss Planet. We know you have so many options to pick from, and we do not take it lightly that you picked us to spend this time with. Again, you can get more cost-saving tips and blog posts on our website, MissPlanet.com. Just head on up to that little arrow on the corner, click on the icon, and it'll take you right to our website where you'll have access to written and picture instructions for most of our projects, as well as fantastic cost-saving tips. Okay, guys, it's time for us to go, but I want you to remember, when every penny counts, you can count on Miss Planet. Please take care of yourself. We will see you soon. God bless.